Have you ever faced a problem that seemed impossible to solve? Let me introduce you to the Fishbone Diagram. The Fishbone Diagram is a tool used for brainstorming causes or factors to a problem. It's important for avoiding jumping to conclusions and settling on one potential cause without considering others. To use a fishbone diagram, we must first define the problem correctly. At the head of the fish, we write down the problem. This is the effect. Next, we brainstorm categories or utilize standard categories such as machine, material, method, people, and measurement. We then have our team brainstorm potential factors or causes that result in the effect. After the team brainstorms these categories, the next step is to begin investigating, typically through experimentation and data collection. The goal might be to find out which are the top contributing causes or even a single root cause. The Fishbone Diagram is a powerful problem-solving tool. It helps teams identify all potential causes and narrow down to the most likely contributing factors. To learn more, visit emsstrategies.com and contact us.